Bermuda grass was our biggest nemesis for like 2 years when we started growing food.
And we started growing in like a regular traditional backyard. So we had Bermuda grass. It was, yeah, we have a picture, pull it up.
Yeah.
It was just a traditional backyard.
So this is when we started. This was
Yeah.
like when we first started, first week of gardening. This is
We
what
had
it
one
looked
bed.
like.
It was exciting for us.
And then we turned it into this over a couple of years. But along the way, we battled a lot of Bermuda grass. So that's why we were telling you that if you have Bermuda grass, you cannot just put down the like landscaping cloth. Like that stuff will not cut it. You have to completely smother it out. The best way we have found to do this is by laying down cardboard and then smothering that with wood chips. And wood chips are something that a lot of people don't realize you can get for free at a number of places. We have a couple cities around here in Oklahoma that have big piles of wood chips that you can just take your truck to, and they'll dump it in the back of your truck for free. And that's an unlimited source of wood chips pretty much. There's also services like Chip Drop.
Mm-hmm.
Andrew, if you could throw a link in chat for getchipdrop.com. That's a service where arborists that are near you can come dump like a big load of wood chips. And we did this once when we lived in the city, and it was like our entire driveway was full of wood chips.
Oh yeah, I should have put a picture of that up here. That was pretty fun.
It was a great workout.
We came home and we're like, whoa. But I think the wood chips, they not only help to prevent like the weeds in Bermuda, but they also look really nice too. I really liked having those as like our pathways, and it's just a really nice, really pretty way to go about having nice pathways.
And the cool thing too is like this cardboard and these wood chips will break down over time and pretty much make compost. And you can take that, move it to your compost pile, get fresh wood chips, and it's kind of a nice compost in place system that we've done as well.